Welcome to the Lucia. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a den, covered lanai, 2-car garage, and 1,773 air-conditioned square feet. The open kitchen centers daily life around a generous island with ample cabinetry, bright finishes, and an easy flow into the dining area. Nearby, the dining space is ready for sunny breakfasts and relaxed dinners. The great room keeps everything connected, comfortable, and wonderfully low maintenance. The nearest beach is approximately 20 minutes away. The primary suite offers a calm retreat with generous windows, room for a reading chair, and convenient access to its private bath. The ensuite bath features a dual vanity and roomy walk-in shower. I'm Karen Lawell with Counts Real Estate Group. Let's find your place in paradise. Hi, everyone. I'm Karen Lawell. If you're dreaming of a new life in Latitude Margaritaville, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe for a new home tour every week, and reach out anytime you're ready to make the move.